Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make glider wings. First, understand that the wing's airfoil shape is crucial for generating lift, allowing your glider to fly. Common materials like balsa wood or foam are excellent choices due to their light weight and ease of shaping. Remember, a higher aspect ratio, meaning a longer, narrower wing, generally leads to better glide performance and efficiency. We will cover these foundational elements to get you started. Now let's get into the construction. Begin by precisely cutting out your wing ribs, perhaps 20 to 30 of them, ensuring they all match your chosen airfoil profile. Next, securely assemble the main spar and leading edge, forming the core structure. Finally, cover the entire wing frame with a lightweight heat-shrinkable film, typically weighing around 20 grams per square meter, to create a smooth, aerodynamic surface. This step is vital for performance. Understanding the airfoil is key to a successful glider. The distinct curved upper surface forces air to travel a longer distance, creating lower pressure above the wing. Conversely, the flatter lower surface helps direct air downwards, contributing to lift. The angle at which the wing meets the air, known as the angle of attack, directly influences both the amount of lift generated and the drag experienced. Optimizing this balance is crucial for sustained flight. With construction complete, it's time for the final touches. Thoroughly sand the wing to achieve a smooth finish, then carefully balance it to ensure the center of gravity is correct, typically around 1/3 of the wing's chord from the leading edge. Securely attach the finished wing to your glider's fuselage. Finally, perform initial test flights in a calm environment, making small adjustments to trim and balance until your glider achieves a stable, graceful flight path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.